See here, I have sketched out one of my little favourite birds, and I'm applying some water inside the outline. With watercolour, it will only flow where the surface is wet, which is the part that I really enjoy about the watercolours, is leaving it to its thing. So I've got some paints over here from tubes where I'm just now applying, making it a little bit wet. Just going to drop it in and then let the water and the paper itself do the work. You can see it start to run and bloom across with the tail. I'm just going to go straight with just a wet brush onto dry, and then I'm just going to blend it out with a little bit of water here. And that's that part. We will then just add a little bit of this darker blue. I'm just going to pop that in the top here. And maybe just a little bit around this side. I really do love this part about watercolour. Just got to trust your strokes and let it do the work for you. I'm also going to now add a little bit of this beautiful, I think it's Perusian blue. It's quite electric, an electric type colour. Just going to dab that in here. Just sort of, just where the nape of his neck, just give that little bit of shadow there. We might even just pop a little bit up here. It's always nice to just blend a few different colours in together. It gives you that natural look of shading. We might even pop a bit of that blue into the tail. Just pop it on the edge and it will work its way across. Just rinsing the brush a little bit. And we will just see how that goes. Very cute little bird. Now, might just now let it dry. That's what we do with watercolours. We allow them to dry in that moment, and then we'll come in once it's dry with a few other little details. So I shall just leave it there for the moment.